My fingers are so cold I can't get my car keys out of my pocket. I'm all packed up, but I think I better get out of here. This storm's only getting worse and the snow's getting deeper. And my fingers are so cold. Yeah, this was a good shelter, but it is quickly filling up with snow. You see that? It's time to go home. All right, let's go see if we can find my snowshoes.